Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things you need to pass JAMB 2025 exam. Okay, now first of all, let me quickly introduce myself to you. I know I've always been saying welcome to DTW. I've never introduced myself in most of my videos. Okay, I am Mrs. Blessing Sheung Chukwuka. I am the founder of DTW Tutorials. We started 8 years ago, and let me just share why I started DTW Tutorial. I started because I saw a lot of malpractice, exam malpractice, and students being scared of not sitting exams on their own. And I'm like, you can do it. I was once in your shoe. I remember then, during sitting for my SSC, like over 20 years ago, sitting for my WAEC, I wasn't sure of myself if I could make it. And you see then, copy, Votron, will form Votron. I did it also. Okay, I did it also. So, and when I got into university, okay, I'm a graduate of engineering, electronics and computer engineering, LASU Ekpe campus. Okay, and I graduated with a 4.23, close to a first class. All right, so when I got into university 100 level, I noticed some particular students sitting on their own, doing tests on their own, and I'm not wondering, these people, I began to wonder, don't these people, they have one head now, right? They have one head. I became their friends. I started following them to know their methods. What's going on? What's going on? So one day, we had a test. I sat down with them. I was expecting that they will help me out. For where? Hi. That day, I went back. I was like, hey, in fact, I was like, which kind, you know, then now, mess up. But why? Why? Sit down with these people. So, but I started reflecting, deep thinking. I was like, if these guys can sit on their own, they didn't even talk to each other, and they sat and the test results came out and they were good, I can do it. Be confident in yourself, Blessing. And that is it. I started asking them, what do you do? They say, oh, they wake up at night and read at this particular time. I noticed their schedule. It is from library to maybe church to hostel. Are you with me? They have time. They time themselves. They plan themselves. So I said, let me start. Let me even start copying. I started waking up at night to read, study, and all that. I didn't get discouraged. I just said, let me just do it. Let me just try. Guess what? Our next test, I sat down. I challenged myself too. I sat on my own. I did what I could do. Guess what? The results came. I was close to them. I said, hey, so I can do this. Are you with me? I said, hey, so I can do this. Yes. And that's where it started. The spark started. And I started reading more. Guess what? Our next test, I beat them. So it became a competition. Are you with me? I beat them. I started reading more. When it came to exam, man, I never believed this is someone that wasn't confident in herself during our WAEC exams. Now 100 level. When I got into 200 level, I entered scholarship because of my grades. LASU scholar. I was a LASU scholar. If there's any student from LASU, if they are still doing it, I don't know if they are still doing it then. So it paid my fees, thank God. It paid my fees and some, other stipends. Are you with me? You can do it. So that's now made me know that anyone can. I felt I was dull. It's just for you to put in the effort. It's just for you to do the extra. Look at the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is what? Is that extra. Everyone is a potential player, is a potential star, but not everyone will become the star. Are you with me? Why won't everyone be? Because you have to put sacrifice. So is that extra? So I'm telling you that you can make it in JAMB 2025. I want you to put the extra. It is 50 days now to JAMB 2025. The first tip I will give you is getting your JAMB syllabus. I have created a 30 days work structure for you to finish your syllabus. A timetable. Please go and get it. And now, the next step, that's if you are just studying now, that's for you. But if you've been studying good, just be on the DTW JAMB CBT practice app and continuously what? Practice. Second step, first thing is your syllabus, very important, it's your scheme of work. Second, you must understand JAMB CBT exam. It is not only a test of what you know, what you've read. It's also a test of what? Your speed and accuracy. Remember, your English 60 question, then your remaining 3 subjects. Are you with me? If you're doing, let's say, CRS, literature, government, or physics, chemistry, and biology, English is 60. All these subjects are 40 questions. All together, how many do we have? We have what? 180 questions. And you have to finish this 180 question in 2 hours. So it brings us to, how many seconds do you have for one question? You have 40 seconds for one question. Now tell me, it's a test of speed and accuracy. And that's why you need a timer. On the DTW JAMB CBT app, you have that timer. It's a CBT platform interface that times you. It counts down. Another thing you have to also master is the method of counting. Then, in our time, when I took JAMB 20 years ago, you know, you can wear your wristwatch and you see it counts forward, right? It counts forward. So you can easily know when you are 30 minutes gone. But now, this countdown timer, all right? If you are not careful, if you've not mastered it, 40 minutes would go, 1 hour would go, you are still on one subject, and which is, you're already failing like that. Are you with me? Because you need 40 seconds for one question. So please, I beg you, get the DTW JAMB CBT app. It costs 4,000 naira a year to activate it. It contains, you see all those paper books, all those things digitally, we have put it in the past question, and it is time. You can retrieve question, go and download it and play around with it, and you will see that it is wonderful for you to use. Now, thirdly, something very important that can help you. You need to join a group. What helped me? Group of people. Serious-minded people. You need it. And we have DTW online classes. Come and join us. From the month of April, as we enter April now, is revision. Are you with me? We're close to finishing our syllabus. All right? As we enter April, is revision. Mock exam, mock exam, mock exam. If you join us today, you have access to all the videos, video recording. You can sit down. Me, I know you. Me, I was a young person too. So if I want to watch a film like 1-2 seasons, I can use one day like this and watch it. You are single now. Then when I was single, we can watch everything. You are single, but now you know you are married. You have 3 children. You have husband. You can't use all your whole day. But you can. And I know you've been doing it on Netflix. So sit down with those videos. Finish it up. Finish through your syllabus with those videos. Join us today. After you are engaging with online live classes, in the WhatsApp group, there are also serious students asking questions. You have a problem, drop it. A community. You need that community. I tell you, don't be isolated. Okay? So these are my 3 tips. So I know I've taken time. I've told you a story. Is to encourage and motivate you. That even me too, I doubted in myself once. And I got encouraged when I saw others doing it. You can do it. Please, there's nothing like JAMB runs. They will eat your money. And you see, they will use your money to eat amala, or fufu, or akpu, or tuwo chinkafa. They will use you. There's nothing like, don't let anybody deceive you. There's nothing like JAMB runs. So JAMB has been sanitized. So please, read. You can do it. My WhatsApp details in the video description box of this video. Yes, on my profile bio, you see my WhatsApp. WhatsApp me if you need any of this. You want the syllabus, I'll give it to you. You want the app, it's 4,000 naira. You can download it now and pay. And don't be afraid, it is not scam. It is by us, DTW tutorials. Okay, as far as DTW JAMB CBT app you downloaded, it is us. So don't be afraid of that. If you want to join our online classes, that's 7,000 monthly. Come and join us today. Okay, so you are blessed and you're destined to win. All right, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. Okay, come to him. All right, you are destined to win. That's the meaning of DTW, destined to win.